Start करो. Hello everyone, I'm from myself Rajbir. I'm from Shivjyoti Educational Group. Today we'll take a topic from English grammar, that is for class 4th, chapter number 6, pronouns. All of you please open page number 16. But before starting pronouns, I would like to revise you up with the nouns. As you all know what are nouns. Nouns are the name of a person, place which can replace them are known as pronouns. For example, Rita is a good girl, Rita dances well. So in this example, I have used the word Rita twice. Instead of using it twice, I can use it like this. Rita is a good girl, she dances well. So what I did, I have replaced the word Rita with she, and she is a pronoun there we have used. Let's see further. Now you can see a pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. As I told you that pronoun is a word which is used at the place of noun. Let's see. Anushka bought a beautiful purse but she lost it in the train. Anushka and purse are the two nouns in the sentences, and what are the pronouns replaced by? She is used for Anushka and it is used for purse. So the further sentence will be, but she lost it in the train. Pronouns includes I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them, mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs. These all words are pronouns which are used at the place of noun. Exercise number A, you can see rewrite the sentences with using pronouns in the place of the words in reds. You can see in each sentence there are few words highlighted with red color. What we have to do, we have to replace these words with the help of pronouns. Let's see the first sentence. Don't touch the iron is hot. Now the iron is the name of a thing. So what I am going to do, I am going to replace it like this. Don't touch the iron, it is hot. Instead of using the iron again, what I did, I used the word it here. Similarly, in the second sentence, what you have to do, Ranjani is sleeping, Ranjani is wearing a night suit, the night suit is pink. So here two words which are highlighted with red color, Ranjani and the night suit. Now Ranjani is a name of a girl, therefore I will be using she here. She is wearing a night suit. Now the night suit is a name of a thing, therefore I will be using it here. It is pink. Similarly, you have to do rest of the sentences. Let's see further. This is the very first part of the pronouns, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used in place of a name of a person, animals and thing. Personal pronouns are used at the name of any person, any animal or any thing. Pronouns of the first person refer to speaker. Speaker is the one who is speaking. Suppose I am speaking, I am the speaker. So for me, I can use the word I, me, we, us. Pronouns of the second person refer to the listener of the person or the person being spoken to. It means you. The one who is listening to me, matlab you are listening to me. So this is the second person. Pronouns of the third person refer to the person, animals or thing being spoken of, like he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Actually we are talking about the subject here, about which we are talking. See, there is a column, a proper column is there. First person, speaker. Suppose speaker is me, I, me, we, us. If more than one you can use we, us, right? Second person is a listener, it means you. It can be a group of people. Third person is person, animal or thing spoken about, the subject about which we are talking. Suppose Ram and Shyam are talking about somebody else. Suppose Rahul, if they are talking about Rahul, that he danced very well. So Rahul is the third person. Rahul is the subject here about which they are talking, right? He, him, she, her, it, they, them. These are the words, these are the pronouns used in the third person party. Now let's see Exercise number B, underline the personal pronouns and write whether they are in the first person, second person or third person. As I told you, I have explained you three categories: first person, second person and third person. What you have to do is you have to understand that which word, which pronoun is first person, which pronoun is second person and which pronoun is third person, and you have to mention it properly in front of it. Just see the first example. We will take part in the marathon. It is on Monday. We is the first person. We means the speaker. It means third person. Third person, we are talking about marathon, means it is a third person. Similarly, we will also ask others to join us. In this sentence, there are two pronouns, that is we and us. Both are first person. You can see in the previous column, you can see we and us, it is the first person, the person, those who are speaking, right? Rest of the sentences you have to do at your own. Let's see C exercise, fill in the blanks with the help of suitable personal pronoun. What you have to do here, you have to fill the personal pronouns here. Yamini lives across the street, dash is my friend. Now you can see Yamini is a name of a girl. So for a girl, which pronoun we will be using? We will be using she here. She is my friend. Similarly, in the second sentence, Abhay and Arun are running to school, dash are late. Abhay and Arun, there are two boys, they are running to school because they are late. So if there are two boys, I saw them running towards the school, so the word I will be using here will be they. Rest of the sentences you have to do at your own. Now, the second type of pronouns is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns shows possession, belongings or ownership. It means it shows that something is belonging to somebody. Suppose this stick is belonging to me. So it is showing the possession of this stick, that it is a stick and it is belonging to me, right? The blue dress is mine. The blue dress is mine. Mine is showing the possession of the dress, right? Is this book yours? Suppose I am asking somebody that is this book yours? So yours are showing the possession that this book belongs to somebody else, and I am asking that is this book yours? In the above sentences, mine and yours show whom the objects mentioned in the sentences belong. They are possessive pronouns. Now again, they are categorized into three forms. First person, speaker, the one who speaks. Here the words are mine and ours, the pronouns which we can use are mine and ours. Second person is a listener, the one who is listening, that is obviously yours. Third person, animal or thing spoken about. Again, it is a subject about which we are talking. So it is her, his, their and its. Let's see exercises for possessive pronoun. The books that belongs to Sonam, is it dash, hers or his? Which pronoun will be coming there? The pronoun hers will be filled in the blank. Why? Because first reason, the book belongs to Sonam. Sonam is a name of a girl. For a girl we can use the pronoun hers. The farmhouse on the hill is dash, we go there every summer. The farmhouse on the hill is, which is the correct pronoun will be using, ours or their? The correct pronoun will be ours. So the sentence will be, the farmhouse on the hill is ours, we go there every summer. Rest of the sentences you have to do at your own. Now let's see the third type of pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. With the help of the things you can demonstrate, you can tell that which pronoun, which thing is this, and for this thing what can be used, what pronoun can be used. Like, read the following sentences. This is a ball, you can see in the picture a ball is there. So the ball is shown with the help of, the sentence is completed with the help of this. ये एक ball है, right? These are bats. These because there are more than one bat. That is a toy. You can see a teddy is lying there. That is a toy. Those are toys. There are many toys, therefore we have used the word those. So this, these, that, those are demonstrative pronouns. The words this, these, that and those are used here to point out one or more things. We are using to point out. We are actually pointing out the thing with the help of demonstrative pronouns. This refers to ball, these refers to bats, that refers to toy and those refers to toys. So actually we are pointing out at the things with the help of demonstrative pronouns, right? Now let's see with the help of example. You can see, underline the pronouns in the following sentences and write what type they are. This is Rahul's book, please give it to him. Now in this sentence, this is demonstrative pronoun because this is showing, in this sentence it is showing that this book is of Rahul, pointing out that this is the book and it is of Rahul. Therefore this is a demonstrative pronoun. It again personal pronoun, him again personal pronoun, right? Now the second sentence is, that is a blue kite, it is flying so high. In this sentence, that is a demonstrative pronoun because it is showing the position of the kite, that is a blue kite. It is showing that we are talking about, we are pointing out that at that blue kite. So it is, that is a demonstrative pronoun, it is flying so high. So the word it is again a personal pronoun. Rest of the sentences you can do at your own. I or me. Now there is a different category, that is I or me. I and me are personal pronouns of the first person. They refer to the speaker. It is very obvious that they are referring to the speaker. If I am saying that I am reading, I am explaining, so here I is the word used by the speaker, the first person. They are placed later in the sentences. They are placed later in the sentences after the noun if we are talking about another person or ourselves, right? Ronit and I. You can see that after Ronit I have written I here, play tennis. Do you want to play with Ronit and me? Again here me is after Ronit, after the name of the person. You can see, to know if you have used I and me correctly, leave the other person name out and read the sentences. Now if you want to see that whether I have used the word I and me correctly, what you have to do, there is a small experiment. You can see, Ronit and I play tennis. This is the correct sentence. Now I play tennis, it is correct. Now if I leave Ronit and I write me play tennis, it is a wrong sentence. Second, do you want to play with Ronit and me? Do you want to play with me? It is correct sentence. If I omit Ronit here, do you want to play with Ronit and I? It is the wrong sentence, right? Let's see, rewrite the sentences correctly. The teacher gave the books to me and Harjinder. This is the name of a person, so it will come first and me will come later. So the correct sentence will be, the teacher gave me the books to Harjinder and me. The teacher gave the books to Harjinder and me. This will be the correct sentence. Sonia, I and Jagan are going to school. So the correct sentence will be, Sonia, Jagan and I are going to school. Like this you have to see whether you have placed I or me correctly or not. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home.